by the grace of God, I'm 2 times more chairman for APC, but for Ogbonna. I know my deputy, you know me very well, and the oracle, you know me very well. So, by the grace of God, we are called today to join people, to work together, to make sure we deliver the party for us. PDP!
It's a privilege today, sir. You can see, like last week, I told you more people are coming to PDP. In my word, this is just a preamble. More people are still coming. I want to thank my brother, Honorable Michael, for these people that are here, because this is from Moscow. We see other people in Fuga, Ekperi, and the better Aziz, they are still coming. Our former LGU leader, APC, in Data Central, and we've scrapped APC already. PDP!
These are my people that I brought. We'll be working on them. We told them we have the right way. I've spoken with so many persons. After due consideration and interaction, they said, okay, now this is the place we need to be. After talking with them, they said, okay, anytime that we are ready for this coming to the main place, they will come. So that's why we are here. And I believe by the grace of God, we're going to work together to ensure that PDP covers every area in this state. And by the grace of God, whatever that is needed to ensure that every unit is one, we get it done.
And the leader of the party in Edo State, the governor of Edo State, to PDP. You are followers and your friends, welcome. The last time we received the Govumet leader of APC, we received him in Benin recently. Today we are receiving the world chairman and the youth chairman. All of them, they are all coming. Like the LGA chairman of APC said, former Naija, from my way I resigned, said a lot of them are coming. Because they have discovered that side, they are deceiving people. What they used to preach against is what they are now doing. So, by the grace of God, we are back to PDP, and I can assure you that we will work together not only to rescue our community and our state, but to rescue Nigeria.
I think we need to be issue-based, but at the same time we need to tell the story of where we are coming from and where we are and where we intend to be. It's very critical because when the people don't understand where we are coming from, we can easily forget. We need to remind them how it started and where we are now and why we need to step up to get to our destination. So that is critical. This meeting was just a strategic meeting to brainstorm and to also inaugurate some of the key players that will be coordinating elections in the Edo North. And for us, this will also work with the state campaign team and the presidential campaign team. So at the end of the day, you discover that almost everybody will be a member of one team or the other because we have to populate it. Because the election is for PDP to win and for PDP to lose. Nobody is happy at the level of poverty that APC has created now. We all thought APC was actually coming to change things, but unfortunately they couldn't. So it's now time to rescue Nigeria back from them and try PDP. PDP is one party that have experience and they know what they did before that was wrong and they are ready to correct it. So, and PDP candidates, especially the presidential one, is not somebody that will be sworn in and be looking for documents to work with and telling us he's still understudying document. He's somebody that have experience and we are sure that from day one, after swearing in, he will hit the ground running. So this meeting purely is to domesticate this governance structure and to have the people buy in and for them to take ownership and for them to understand the difference between this election and previous election and how this election is also related to the last election that brought the governor and I. So all these strategies we just discussed and we inaugurated some of them that will carry out all these activities.